In this video, I'll be testing a powerful TradingView strategy from Trading Guru that claims an unbelievable 7,800% gain. I'll backtest this strategy 200 times on the AUD USD 5-minute chart with a $1,000 account, risking 1.5% per trade. For this strategy, we'll use a combination of two free indicators that work well on assets with large market participants, including stocks, crypto, indices, commodities, and forex. Let's set up these indicators on TradingView. First, go to the Indicators tab and type in UT Bot Alerts by Quant Nomad. This open source AI-based indicator provides accurate buy and sell signals. Next, add Linear Regression Candles by Ugo RVU. This indicator smooths the chart, helping reduce market noise, which can improve trading accuracy on lower timeframes. Once you have both indicators added, let's customize their settings. First, go to the UT Bot Alert settings and change Key Value Input to 2. Set ATR Period to 1. Second, for the Linear Regression Candles, set Signal Smoothing to 7. Change the length to 11. Adjust the thickness of the plot line to make it easier to see when entering trades. Finally, hide the original candles from the chart by clicking the eye icon next to the chart name. Now that our setup is complete, let's go over the trading rules. For a long position, 1. The UT Bot Alerts indicator must show a buy signal. 2. The linear regression candles must be above the white plot line. If both conditions are met, we'll enter a long position. Place the stop loss at the recent swing low and exit the trade when the linear regression candles close red. For a short position, 1. The UT Bot Alerts indicator must show a sell signal. 2. The linear regression candles must be below the white plot line. Once these conditions align, we'll enter a short position. Set the stop loss at the recent swing high and close the trade when a green candle appears. Alright, now that you've seen the rules, let's see if you can spot the right setups. I'll show you some examples, and you'll have 5 seconds to decide if each one fits the entry criteria. Ready? Here's the first one, a potential buy setup. Does it meet our criteria? Yes, this is a correct buy entry. The UT Bot Alerts indicator has given a buy signal, and the linear regression candles are above the white plot line. Second example, this one's a possible sell entry. Correct, this is a valid sell setup. The UT Bot Alerts indicator shows a sell signal and the linear regression candles are below the white plot line. For the third example, here's a buy setup. This is not a valid buy entry. The UT Bot Alerts indicator has given a buy signal, but the linear regression candles are below the white plot line, so it doesn't meet the entry criteria. And finally, let's check this last example, a potential sell. Is this a good setup? No, this is not a valid sell setup. The linear regression candles are above the white plot line, even though there's a sell signal, so it doesn't fit the rules. Hopefully you got those right. If not, feel free to rewatch the rules section and then come back to check out the backtest results. Now let's start backtesting. I backtested this strategy 200 times, risking 1.5% per trade. Starting with $1,000, this strategy showed impressive results, ending with a profit of $7,821, a gain of over 700%. The win rate was 54.5% with a maximum winning streak of 7 and a losing streak of 5. To further improve the win rate, consider adding additional confirmations to avoid trades in consolidating markets. If you'd like me to test any enhancements to this strategy, just comment "improve" and I'll explore ways to make it even more effective. If you have any questions about this strategy, feel free to leave them in the comments. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.